OPPO introduced the OPPO Air Glass 3, the latest iteration of its augmented reality AR glasses, marking a significant step in making AR technology more accessible and wearable. Weighing just 50 grams, the OPPO Air Glass 3 is designed to offer a lightweight, comfortable experience, resembling regular eyeglasses in both look and feel. This makes it a practical choice for users seeking to integrate augmented reality into their daily lives without the bulk or heaviness typically associated with AR glasses. The glasses feature a self-developed resin waveguide with a high refractive index of 1.70, ensuring crisp, bright visuals. The peak brightness of over 1,000 nits provides excellent visibility in various lighting conditions, while the display's uniformity of more than 50% guarantees a consistent experience for users. This makes the OPPO Air Glass 3 stand out as one of the best-performing AR glasses in terms of display quality. One of the standout features is its seamless integration with OPPO's Andes GPT AI model, accessible through a dedicated smartphone app. Users can activate the AI voice assistant simply by tapping the temple of the glasses, allowing for hands-free control. Whether it's browsing images, answering calls, or controlling music playback, the Air Glass 3 offers a highly interactive and intuitive AR experience. In addition to voice commands, the OPPO Air Glass 3 also supports touch interaction. Users can easily navigate through different features such as controlling music, making voice calls, or interacting with apps. The glasses come equipped with reverse sound field technology and an open acoustic design which includes 4 microphones. This setup enhances audio quality, reduces background noise, and ensures better privacy during conversations, making it ideal for use in both quiet and noisy environments. The OPPO Air Glass 3 is not just about convenience, it's also about enhanced connectivity. By connecting to OPPO smartphones, users can access a broad range of AI-powered services and features, including those from OPPO's expanding ecosystem. The glasses represent OPPO's vision for the future of personal tech, a blend of advanced AI and wearable convenience that promises to redefine the way we interact with the digital world. In summary, the OPPO Air Glass 3 is a bold step forward in wearable AR technology, combining lightweight design, advanced AI features, and high-quality display to create an immersive and user-friendly experience